Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the short E sound eh in our Learning to Read program. We already know the letter E can make the eh sound in closed syllables. Let's review some words that have E making the short eh sound. As I read the word, point to the letter making the eh sound. Bed. EA can also make the short E sound eh. Remember, we've already learned EA can also make the long E sound E. As I read the words, I want you to point to the letters making the eh sound. Heavy. Bread. IE can also make the short E sound eh. Remember, IE can also make the long E sound E. As I read the word, point to the letters making the eh sound. Friend. AI can also make the short E sound. This is a less common sound these letters can make. Remember, they also make the long A sound. In these words, point to the letters making the eh sound. Mountain. Curtain. Great, now I'm going to show you some letters. I want you to say the sounds the letters can make. I'll give you about 2 seconds to say the sound, and then I will say them so that you can check your work. E or eh. E or eh. A or eh. E or I or eh. A or a. A. Oo or U or oo or or ooh or o or ah. Oh. Great, now I'm going to show you some words. I'll give you about 5 seconds to read each word, and then I will read the word so you can check your work. Beg. Read or read. Said. Bread. Captain. Great job! You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.